6 daily phrasal verbs you must know to speak English fluently. Hello and welcome to MS English Diary. Today we are going to learn very important daily phrasal verbs used in English conversations. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a preposition or adverb that gives a new meaning. Native speakers use them every day, so learning them will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. Let's begin. 1. Allow for, meaning to consider something as possible or include it in planning. Example, we should allow for extra time in case of traffic. 2. Answer back, meaning to reply rudely or disrespectfully, especially to someone in authority. Example, don't answer back to your teacher. 3. Account for, meaning to explain or give a reason for something. Example, can you account for your absence yesterday? 4. Ask out, meaning to invite someone on a date. Example, he finally asked her out for dinner. 5. Ask around, meaning to ask many people in order to get information. Example, I asked around to find a good mechanic. 6. Act up, meaning to behave badly or not work properly, for machines, body parts or situations. Example, my phone is acting up today. 7. Act on, meaning to take action based on advice, information or decision. Example, the police acted on the information immediately. That's all for today. Keep practicing these phrasal verbs every day. Small steps lead to big improvement. Stay consistent, and you will speak English confidently very soon. Thank you.